Gold has been valued for thousands of years for both monetary and aesthetic reasons. Gold's aesthetic value has been appreciated in many different cultures throughout history. Ancient civilizations used gold for decoration, jewelry, and art. Some ancient civilizations used gold for worship, likening its value to that of the gods. Gold began being used as currency in late 8th century BC. By 550 BC, civilizations in Western Asia Minor began creating coins from gold and silver to use as official currencies. In current day, gold has established itself as an essential part of our culture and economy. While it's still used for its decorative and illustrious appeal, gold is also used as a means of financial hedging and diversification. There's a finite amount of gold in the world, making it one of the only intrinsic currencies used in commerce. This means that it cannot be created or duplicated. Gold is also a noble metal and is highly resistant to corrosion and oxidation. Today, millions of Americans rely on gold as a means of asset protection and portfolio diversification. Call the number on your screen or click the link below if you'd like to learn more about gold or other precious metals.